With the Nike Dunk Low Rivalry Pack, baseball's most intense rivalry will take to the streets. Inspired by the historic rivalry between the Boston Red Sox and New York Yankees, the two-pair release adds diamond heat to Nike Sportswear's most recognizable low top without requiring an MLB license. Despite not being formally associated with either team or the league, the inspiration is clear. Each pair unmistakably reflects its franchise counterpart. The Boston model is dressed in red and blue over white leathers, while the New York edition adopts cooler hues with white bases, gray accents and navy overlays. The last detail? Baseball-stitched laces that honor the classic style of America's favorite pastime. Even though these pairs won't be playing, it's obvious that they were made for rivalry enthusiasts who follow the team all year long. In the upcoming months, expect this unofficial matchup to appear on Nike.com. Retail price is $115.